Have you just bought a spa pool or swim spa from Spa World in Victoria? Or are you thinking of buying one? If so, you most likely have some questions around building permits, council, and installation requirements. This video will cover frequently asked questions that apply specifically to Victoria, and then I'll cover those that apply nationwide. This video is designed to provide a simplified overview of current regulations in reference to Spa World products. It is not a complete guide, and we advise all customers to seek independent advice in relation to their own personal site requirements. The information in this video was accurate at the time of recording. However, this can change without notice, and the viewer must check with their local council. Hi there, I'm Annabella, and in this video, I'm going to get you up to speed with all the need to know information and common questions that apply to those shopping for or installing a spa pool or swim spa in Victoria. Then I'll answer questions about other regulations that apply to spa owners across Australia. In Australia, there are regulations specific to each state and regulations that are shared nationally. So to make it easier, I'll section this video into 10 parts. Spa building permits and registrations in Victoria, installing a spa in Victoria, safety barriers for spas in Victoria, general frequently asked questions in Victoria, and then nationally we'll go to finding the right location for your spa, installing a spa, electrical requirements, customising a spa and alternatives, using the spa, and Spa World Learning Centre. As a note, many points in this video are valid for both spa pools and swim spas. I'll refer to both of these as spas. Section 1. Spa building permits and registrations in Victoria. Am I required to get a building permit for my new spa? Your new spa is required by legislation to have an approved pool safety barrier installed around it. A building permit must be issued before the safety barrier is installed. Is my spa considered to be a swimming pool with regard to the legislation? Yes, the standard defines a swimming pool as any structure containing water to a depth greater than 300 millimeters and used primarily for swimming, wading, paddling, or the like, including a bathing or wading pool or spa pool. Is my spa pool or swim spa required to be registered on the council's swimming pool and spa register? On the 1st of December 2019, new laws to improve swimming pool and spa safety came into effect in Victoria. This includes new registration, inspection, and certification requirements for property owners. As a new spa owner, you are issued with a Form 23 certificate from the building surveyor once the pool safety barrier and any other building works have been inspected and approved. The next step is to submit the Form 23 to your local council along with the property owner's registration application. Do I require a building permit to build a small deck for my new spa? Yes, a building permit is required for decks that are attached to a building such as a house or a swimming pool, irrespective of size. A building permit is also required for a detached deck, irrespective of size. Section 2. Installing a spa in Victoria. Can I install my new spa pool or swim spa over an easement on my property? If you intend to position the spa pool or swim spa so it's located over an easement or an asset of a relevant authority, for example the council, legislation may require you to apply for consent. We recommend that you contact a certifier. You're likely to save time and money by doing this. Alternatively, you can also visit your local council. What specifications are required for a spa slab for the foundation? Spa World can provide generic concrete slabs for designs for both swim spas and portable spas that are suitable for most soil types. Please email compliance@spaworld.com.au. Section 3. Safety barriers for spas in Victoria. Does my new spa pool or swim spa need to be fenced with an approved pool safety barrier? Yes. All new spa pools and swim spas in Victoria are required to have a pool safety barrier. All pool safety barriers also require a building permit. A lockable hardcover is not considered to be a suitable barrier in Victoria. Do I need a registered builder to carry out building works associated with my pool safety barrier? You should contact a builder registered in an appropriate category or class to do the work. You can choose to be an owner builder, however, you will need to apply for a certificate of consent from the VBA, the Victorian Building Authority, for work that is valued at more than $16,000. Does Spa World have the required plumbing certificate on products that require them? Yes. All Spa World products have the relevant plumbing approvals as required by legislation. Can my property boundary fence form part of the required pool safety barrier? Yes, a boundary fence can act as part of a barrier to a pool if the height of the fence is at least 1800 millimeters on the inside. A boundary fence also needs to have a non-climbable zone with a 900 millimeter radius from the top of the inside of the barrier. There also needs to be a clear area of at least 500 millimeters on the bottom and inside of the barrier. Section 4. Generally frequently asked questions in Victoria. Does my new spa need to have a CPR sign installed adjacent to the spa? It is not mandatory to display a CPR sign in Victoria. However, SPASA, which stands for Swimming Pool and Spa Association in Australia, recommends that a CPR sign should be placed within the immediate vicinity of all spa pools, even though it's not legislated in every state. Does Spa World have electrical compliance on all the products we sell? Yes. All Spa World products have the relevant electrical approvals where required by legislation. If you require a copy of these certificates, please email compliance@spaworld.com.au. Section 5. Finding the right location for your spa. Can I install my spa into a deck? Yes, you can install a spa into a deck. Keep in mind there are many things to consider to ensure you can have trouble-free use of your spa for years to come. We recommend that you head to the Learning Centre on our website. Can you manually carry or lift a spa pool into position? We don't recommend lifting a spa pool manually because they are heavy. For advice and handy tips, we recommend that you read our pre-delivery guide. Do you need a crane to install a swim spa? Yes, you will need a crane to install a swim spa. Depending on accessibility, a hire truck may be able to do the job, otherwise a crane will be necessary. How do you get the spa pool or swim spa into a backyard? Well, this depends entirely on your access to your property and the location of the spa pool or swim spa. We recommend that you head to the Learning Centre to learn about other options to consider. Can I install my spa pool or swim spa in-ground? We don't provide in-ground shells, however you can still install your spa pool or swim spa into a pit. We recommend that you view the pre-delivery information on our website for further details. Can I place my spa pool or swim spa on anything other than a concrete slab without voiding my warranty? We strongly recommend that you use engineered slabs, and we can even provide you with a generic engineered design. However, if you would like to put your spa on anything other than an engineered slab, you will need to arrange for an engineer to certify the foundation. For more information, visit our Learning Centre. Section 6. Installing a spa. Do I need approvals for my spa? Spa World asks that every customer checks with their local council or certifier about what approvals are required to install a spa pool or swim spa on their property. Do I need to fence my spa? Each state has their own fencing requirement guidelines, and this is based on many factors, including the product and location. However, we do advise all customers to check with local councils or certifiers before installing a spa. Does Spa World offer an installation or compliance service? Spa World offers a delivery service to customers who live within a certain radius of the store location. It's best to contact your local Spa World showroom to see if we can deliver to your property. The Spa World team doesn't install spa pools or swim spas or issue certifications for your installation. However, Spa World can refer you to a certifier that will help you with the regulations that are specific to your property. Using a certifier can save you a great deal of time and money. Where can I find information on delivery or installation of my spa? The best place to go for this is the Spa World website. You can find all the information you need about pre-delivery and installation ideas just through our Learning Centre. It's also important to note that when you make a spa or swim spa purchase, you will be assigned a Spa World concierge who will look after you and make regular contact from the moment you make your purchase through until after the delivery. Do I need to contact a plumber when installing a new spa? The short answer to this is no. However, if you're installing the spa pool or swim spa into a pit, you will need a plumber to ensure there is adequate drainage in place to prevent the pit from flooding. I already have a concrete slab, but it's not level, so what can I do? There are floor leveling products that you may be able to use to provide a level surface. If you have a fall of over 20 millimeters over any length of the spa, you may be able to use chocks to provide a level surface. We suggest that you email compliance@spaworld.com.au who should carry out electrical work associated with spa installations. All electrical work must be carried out by a qualified electrician. What is the maximum distance a heat pump can be installed from the circulation pump of the spa? We recommend that the distance between the heat pump and circulation pump should be no greater than 3 meters. The height distance between the two pumps should not be any greater than 1 meter. And to learn more, we recommend that you read this article. Section 7, Electrical Requirements. Where do I find information on power requirements for my spa or swim spa? You will find all power requirement information on the tech sheet that can be downloaded from the Spa World website. Do spas and swim spas need to have electrical and plumbing approvals in order to be sold in Australia and New Zealand? Yes, all spas need to have both certifications in place in order to be sold legally in Australia and New Zealand. Having an approved spa is vital to your family's safety, and if you would like further information, please contact compliance@spaworld.com.au. Can I run my spa on an extension lead? No, your spa must have a dedicated power supply that's provided by a licensed electrician that's in line with local and national regulations. Section 8, Customising a spa and alternatives. Do I need a hard cover for my spa? Your spa needs to be covered when not in use. The cover that Spa World supplies is lockable and provides a high level of insulation. This has a great impact on reducing running costs of the spa. Leaving an empty spa uncovered and exposed to the sun will damage the acrylic, and this is not covered under warranty. I'm allergic to chlorine or don't like the smell, so can I use salt instead? Yes, we are able to offer salt systems for swim spas. However, there are also other solutions out there such as mineral and peroxide-based chemicals that may be better suited for you. Visit our Learning Centre for more information. Can I customise the jets or layout in the spa? Can I get extra jets? No, this isn't a possibility because the spas are designed and engineered to function for optimum performance and meet the relevant regulations. Section 9, Using the spa. Can I leave my spa empty when not in use? Yes, you can leave it when not in use. However, you must follow a shutdown procedure in your manual and ensure that the hard cover is in place to reduce the effects of direct sunlight or too much heat on the spa shell while empty. As mentioned earlier, leaving an empty spa uncovered and exposed to the sun will damage the acrylic, and this is not covered under warranty. Can you run the spa cold in the summer? Yes. The only issue you may face is if the temperature is 40 degrees Celsius outside. The temperature of the spa water will still be high due to ambient temperature. But if you truly want a cool spa in summer, you may need to purchase an optional heat pump which can both heat and cool the spa water. Heat pumps can also save up to 70% on spa heating costs compared to electric heaters. Can I put the spa inside my house? Yes. It's possible to install a spa pool inside a house if the spa's destination point is accessible. We recommend that you ensure you have a good ventilation system and drainage system. This is in case the spa pool was to ever develop a leak. Can I turn my spa off between uses? The short answer is yes. However, we strongly advise against doing this, and that's because the spas are designed to filter and heat when not in use. But turning them off, you will not have filtration and your water will need to be replaced or treated excessively in order to be safe. Section 10, Spa World Learning Centre. Do you still have questions that are not covered in this video? For more information, visit the Learning Centre on our website. It's here where you can scroll through our helpful video library. You can also read reviews, comparison and maintenance articles, as well as follow customer journeys and read testimonials from our customers, and more. Thanks for watching this video. You should now have a much clearer understanding of the building permits, council requirements, when it's necessary to hire a professional in Victoria, answers to common spa questions, and more. In this way, you'll be able to continue with your spa buying or spa installation, feeling confident in the steps you need to take to ensure your spa meets the standards, will be safe to use, and avoid potential issues in the future. To refer back to a certain section in this video, scroll down to the time log in the YouTube description below. And you can also read the article version of this video on our website. If you'd like to speak directly with a Spa World team member, head to your nearest showroom.